Assalamualaikum viewer, tired of same old bags? Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's dive into the world of crochet handbag designs. We will explore inspiring ideas and techniques to craft stunning one-of-a-kind accessory. The foundation of any crochet bag lies in its structure. We will explore basic shapes like squares, rectangles, and circles, and how to combine them to create unique silhouettes. We will also discuss the different joining techniques like single crochet joins and slip stitch join to seamlessly connect your piece. Let's add some personality, explore techniques like post stitch, bubble, and fillet crochet to create texture and dimension effect. These techniques can add visual interest and depth to your crochet handbag. Time to accessorize, explore a world of embellishment like tassel, pom-pom beads, and flowers to add a touch of whimsy and personality. Don't forget the handles. Experiment with different style from classic rope handle to trendy chain handle to complete your unique design. Find inspiration everywhere or look around you. Nature, architect, vintage accessories, even your favorite food can spark creativity idea for your crochet handbag design. Let your imagination run wild. With a little creativity and these simple techniques, you can crochet stunning handbags that are as unique as you are. So grab your yarn, your hook, and get crafting. Share your creation with us. Happy crocheting! I hope so you like all these designs and ideas. If you do so, hit the like button of the video and do subscribe my channel for more interesting ideas like this. If you like this video, you can also visit the tutorials about these bags. They are available in my this channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.